31 years old, walang naipundar sa sarili. Resigned in my 5 years work, I don't know where and when to start. Hi John, things may be hard for you right now. Pero alam mo, makakabangon ka dyan. Just a piece of advice, things may not go according to your plan. But remember that our Creator has better plans for you. Hindi kaya John, kaya ka napunta sa ganyang sitwasyon, it's because meron ka pang kailangan ma-discover ng potential mo na hindi mo alam. And during that point, doon mo madidiscover ano ba yung mga abilities na kaya mong gawin. At hindi mo siya madidiscover during your success. Madidiscover mo siya during your failures. I were in your situation, I will treat life as a buffet. Since wala namang mawawala sa akin, bakit hindi ako mag-try ng mga bagong bagay? Hanggang sa mahanap ko kung ano ba talagang calling ko. Naalala mo yung first time mo sa buffet na lahat tinatry mo, pero eventually, yung second, third, fourth na pagbalik mo sa buffet, alam mo na kung anong gusto mo. John, things may be uncertain for you right now. Pero papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part.